How many friends do you have on Facebook? How many followers on Instagram and Twitter? Now, how many of those people have you had a conversation with outside of social media? And how many of those people would you consider a real friend? We've somehow tricked ourselves into believing that social media connected us to more people fast. But the truth is, social media has become everything but social. You open up your laptop or unlock your phone and shut out the world. All this technology is just a delusion, because that day you leave your phone home and have to walk out into a world full of people looking down, how lonely do you feel? We text and we post and we tweet, and most of the time no one is even listening. Put your phone down and see the world for what it really is. Form connections, say hello to a stranger, and make real use of your day.